Hello, I just came into bed there and I had a glance across at these fantastic lilies and I thought I'm going to do a little drawing of them. Usually I do a kind of a gratitude list here with pens, paper, and I end up drawing something that I'm grateful for. And I thought, what better thing to draw now tonight than those flowers that just caught my attention there. And so I love the way that they're overlapped by the petals. These orangey rusty bits are overlapped by the pink of the petals. So I'm just holding the phone in my hand here, and of course the sound won't be as good and the image won't be as good as it might normally be, but I just wanted to do something as I was inspired to with these lilies. And now I'm using a green pen just to get the bit that's green here in the middle, coming up there. It's maybe a lighter green, but that's okay. Got some a yellow I can use to lighten it a bit and to explain the two other lighter bits there as well. And then I think this red pen is barely working, but I thought it might be quite a good one. So I'm doing that lily there. I thought this red pen might be quite a good one to describe the shadow, the kind of dark how the lily isn't really catching the light, there. It's a thin dark red, thin line. Sorry. Kind of multitasking here. I better get moving a bit more swiftly now because I think I've only got about 30 seconds left on the video. I often find it's a good idea to make these lilies in just like one, if I can, in one single line, the lily leaves themselves. That's a nice bright one there, but it's going to be described a bit more darkly now. I think I have still actually got 30 seconds, I just saw there. Got 30 seconds. Lily, I'm just doing a short video, love. Okay. Oh, I think there's one just outside the door there. There was one outside. Yeah, the big one is outside your bedroom door. Right, good night all. Thanks for watching.